Welcome to Be Your Own Guide. Today is day two of the 30-day evening meditation series. If you have any questions around the basics of meditation, what is meditation, how to meditate, how to sit, eyes closed, eyes open, how long, any and all of those questions, there's a link below to a playlist with all frequently asked questions and more around meditation. So let's start with today's practice. Wherever you are sitting and doing this meditation today, bring all of your awareness to whatever you believe is you. Hmm? So bring all of your awareness to you. And just notice where you went when I said bring all of your awareness to you. Where was it that you found yourself? Where did you go? Just notice it. Hmm? Are we're used to trying to make quick conclusions of things. Try to pause and not conclude and just notice, okay, this is where I went. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Mm. Keep that awareness alive of where you go when you're asked to go to you. And along with that awareness, now also bring some awareness to your seat, noticing your weight on the seat that you're sitting on, noticing the connection between your seat and the seat below. And then bringing awareness to how your back is, allowing it to gently, if it is not already, gently straightening it with suppleness. So gentle, straight, supple back, noticing how the belly is. Again, allowing it to ease in case of any tightness. If it's already ease, see if you can create a little more space and softness for it. And then noticing when you breathe in, how your chest is, if there's any tightness there. Again, however tight, however loose, a little bit of ease and space and looseness in the chest. This sort of opening up of shoulders also creates some space, physical space. Hmm. If you feel called to, you may also have one hand on your chest, one hand on the belly, and I I've in this moment I have my fingers spread out. And so my hands with my fingers spread out, one on the chest, one on my belly. And just noticing as the belly and the chest rise as I breathe in. And as they fall, the belly falls first and then the chest follows as I breathe out. And just noticing how this very simple breathe in, breathe out, your own connection to your own physical body, your hands to your chest and belly, how this is soothing, even if momentarily. Hmm. Hmm. Notice now the sigh. Any sort of exhale and this sort of sound coming out. Again, it's soothing and easing the nervous system. Hmm. Hmm. And so a lot of what we're doing right now, and continue doing this and just notice, just hear the words that you hear. A lot of this that we're doing today is just learning, training our body and mind to calm down. Ease and release and relax. The kind of world that we live in, that we've been living in for now decades, has trained our minds and thereby our bodies to be always alert, wound up. And we're just sort of taking some moments to teach it other ways of being. Hmm. Now, notice as you're doing this practice, there are multiple things that are supporting your nervous system. This space and sense of relaxation and ease at this moment. One is loosening up of different muscles, your belly, your chest. Second is a little bit of straightening of the back and the open shoulder stance. And then your own touch, your body feeling that touch. And then in this moment, as we're consciously breathing, there is the breath is consciously, you're aware and it's slow and it's spaced out. And then hopefully there is somewhat of a gentle smile, or if not a smile, there is not a frown on your face. And all of these things combined. Let the being know, let the body, the nervous system know that it's okay, it's safe. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Then again, the sigh, the sort of gentle, slow sigh. With the sigh, with the open stance, open body stance again, Mm, telling the mind it's okay to take it easy, to take a chill pill. Hmm. Okay, now gently, if you had your hands on the belly and the chest, gently bring them down and probably bring them to your knees, palms facing the knees. And then maybe gently caressing your thighs, maybe your legs as well. Mm. And I invite you to once again bring all of your awareness to you and notice where you land this time. It could be the same place, a different place, doesn't matter. Just go wherever you intuitively, instinctively go when I say go to you. Hmm. If you want to continue in this space for a while, you can pause this video. If you're good to complete now, then gently holding your knees with your palms, with your hands, and then allowing the lower back to arch out, chin to the chest. As you open your eyes, looking at your own body, gently massaging, caressing Smiling at your body if you feel called to, if you feel okay doing that. And again, if you feel okay, bringing both hands to the chest tonight and just feeling how this feels. Just sort of gently, this is me. Mm. This is my body. Mm. Hmm. This is me, my body. I'm here. I'm here in this moment. Hmm. Most of us, through most of the day, most of the days, unknowingly, unconsciously, are training our minds to run away, escape from the present moment. And there's nothing but the present. And so when we try to run away from, if there's nothing but the present, that means the present must be, in some manner of speaking, the truth, the reality. And when we run away from the reality, is when suffering begins. And so, in a way, every practice, every time you sit down with yourself, morning, evening, whenever, and you engage in a meditation practice, one of the skills that eventually, if not right away, you'd want to start consciously developing is how do I stay in the right now? And staying in the right now is not an intellectual exercise, it's an experiential practice. And that's why come to you. Where is the you? And there is no right or wrong answer to this. There is ultimately a right answer, but that's not what we're after right now. Hmm? Okay, so that's some gyan, some knowledge for the evening. Um, may you have a restful night. May your body rest. May your mind rest. May your body rejuvenate. May your mind rejuvenate. May we all be happy. May we all be well. May we all grow. I'll see you in the next one.